What's up, Exiles? Gonna do a quick video on repairs on legendary weapons. My repair skill for magical weapons is at a level 4, and we're going to see how much I can actually repair this wand that's at 46% with all the hammers that I have available. Let's begin. Oops. Oh, you can't just... Okay. Put in a request for that. Yay. Well, so far we got it up 1%. Looks like these small ones... Wow, they don't even do a half of percentage. Okay. Well, maybe these bigger ones will repair more. Hey, that's a whole 1%. Okay. Full repair would just be 2,000 gems, you know, if you have that available. Woohoo! Halfway there. No, that didn't do any good. Yay, 51. 52. 53. We're making progress. Look at that glitch. Look at that. It repairs nothing. Wait a second. Interesting. It actually repairs nothing at this moment. Let's try a bigger hammer. Okay, that works. Why does this one repair nothing? Interesting. Now it jumps up. Is it 2 for 1%? Nope, it jumped up again. Okay. Looks like a glitchy hammer. And that'll bring it up to 59. And that'll bring it up to 62. So I was able to repair about 20% of this thing with a whole chest full of hammers. Well, it looks like repairing legendary items is going to be very expensive. Catch you guys later.